Goeiemôre almal. Baie welkom by ons laaste uitsending van 2025. En ek hoop regtig dat elkeen die uitsending sal geniet en 'n goeie blaaskans sal kry hier by die einde van die jaar. Hearty welcome to everybody that is interested in our sale report, with our sale report of 2025. And I really hope that you'll enjoy the Christmas break and that you'll have a good festive season. At least we can close the year with good news. I know that we've quoted the market down with 2%, but there's such a lot of positives. Firstly, the rand was stronger with 1.4%, so that takes about the 2% away. And you can't really compare this sale to the previous sale. The second last sale, you all know, is well known for all the top clips. It is on that sale, and it was really excellent quality. Unfortunately, the last sale don't have the same qualities on yet on the sale, and we're cleaning up the bin, so there's a lot of CD and outsorts and that type of thing. So I know the market indicator tried to its very best to make provision for that. But I think the 0.6 deviation is a very fair reflection of the market. In practical terms, the market was unchanged. What is very good to me is that all the buyers were being or against each other right till the last lot. It doesn't look like they are full. Really the appearance was that they're still looking for money. And that is a good omen for 2026. I really feel that we will carry this good demand over to 2026 and that we will continue in the summer season with a better demand. Talking of better demand, there's about 10% difference between this sale and the market indicator of a year ago. A year ago, that market indicator included did not include outsorts. If it was including outsorts, I think the difference will be even bigger. I think it will be closer to 20% than the 10%. So, yet overall, a good market. And if you look at our clearance, 100% clearance, there wasn't one bale that wasn't sold. Even all that lot of CD lots that we offered. If we look at the kids, at 4.7% difference, but there again, average kids was the same price. It was the top prices that made a difference. Young guys were 3% down. There again, I felt on the previous sale, the 31 and 32 microns were down quite a lot. It was the only micron group that was down 5%. On yesterday's sale, there was very good demand for that same group again. So that is also a very good sign. Adults was unchanged at an average of 283.94. If you look year to year, as I mentioned previous, last year this time the indicator was at 338. We closed down at 360. And that 338 didn't include outsorts. I'm quite sure that indicator was closer to 300, and we're at 360 at the moment. Then the micron groups. Every micron group came down a little bit, between 1 and 2%. The exception of the rule was the 28 micron that actually went up with 1.4%, and there was also a few microns which was unchanged. But you can have a look at that in the written sale report. Then the exchange rate, as I mentioned, the 1.2%, the rand was 1.2% stronger. I was really worried in last week. The rand was up to 6% stronger in last week. Fortunately, it weakened over when I say fortunately for us, it weakened over the weekend. and there was only 1.2% difference. Then, as you know, the very important market indicator for me is the USA dollar market indicator, and we still stand on $21.18 a kilo, which is a fairly good dollar price. What happened yesterday is Zululo was very strong on the previous sale, and yesterday it hardly bought anything, but fortunately enough, Moses Falls took his place, and Moses Falls nearly bought 20% of the market. That is very good. If you take Samuel and Stukken, Samuel was at 41%, Stukken at 32%. Then all the other buyers bought a little bit. Alice Conacher 6%, Lord Leader 1%, and the only one there still is VBC at 2.3%. But you remember on the previous side he bought 6%. Then to end off our top prices, there Lloyd Short of Borden Farming with top price at 780, and I must say the bid price was 750. We negotiated that price of 700. Congratulations, Lloyd. And then our bidding section at 720, the third highest price for the fine stuff. Then 26, 27 microns, there's the Charles Moore family clip. Very nice clip at 691 Rand for his 26 micron. Also in the second position, we're at 690. And then Winan Farming from Somerset East. Charles was here yesterday in the third place at 660 Rand. Then 28, 29 micron. David Short there at the top price at 550 Rand for his 28 micron. There, the average price of 28 microns was 420 Rand, and he was at 550. Long Acres, Brett was also here yesterday. Long Acres, we had the second position, and David Short at 520, and Winan Farming at 470 again. Then the 31 microns, Charles Moore Family Trust, in the top position there from Willamore at 375 Rand, Winan Farming, and then in the third place, Mount Marlow Farming. I see here, Bedford, but this is actually Somerset East, at 365 Rand for his 30 micron. Then the 32 micron, the biggest group on the sale, and where the bidding section made clean sweep at the first and the second position, and Charles Henry from Aberdeen there in the third place at 354 Rand and 10 cents. Then your 33, 34 microns, David Short there in the first position at 285, the House of Fibre bidding section in the second place, and Paul Micho from Craddock there in the third place at 274 Rand a kilo. 35, 36 micron, Winan Farming, first position at 268 Rand. Jaco Olofse, that's from Statelijville in the second position, and also in the third position. And then GT Vermaak from Uitnaag. But as al, hij was net een sterk bal geweest, en hij was baie sterk. Het was een bal dekker van 41 micron, 215 Rand a kilogram. That's all from me, folks. The first sale in the summer season is on the 10th of February. Usually that is a smaller sale. And then the real market starts in March with two sales in March. But as I said, I'm very optimistic about 2026. I think this better demand will carry over. And I'm looking forward to a good season, especially for goods or for summer kids. And I hear rumors from Mowers of Africa that the Zania competition is returning without Zania sponsoring it. But for the top bale of summer kids, the competition is back, so keep that in mind. with your shearing date and your preparation, I'm looking forward to see the top bales again. It's a goodbye to me and all the blessings of all this Christmas season. En alle seënwense van my af vir hierdie Kersproses en sien julle dan in Februarie 2026.